Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this episode, we're going to be discussing the difference between a whip, a cane and a flogger. But before we do, I've got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos, you're gonna need to hit that subscribe button. So whips, canes and floggers are all types of BDSM toys. They're all handheld toys and designed for striking your partner in whichever way you see fit. So this is our cane. Usually they're fairly stiff but with some flexibility. You can choose to hold either end and they're pretty straightforward. You can use this for stroking your partner's body or for eliciting sharp stings. Now you decide on how harsh your smack will be with the amount of thwack you give it. This is our whip. Now they do come in different lengths, shapes, sizes, colours and materials, but this is pretty standard. It has a sturdy, rigid handle, which is great for secure control, and it also boasts a wrist loop that you can either put around your wrist for added security, or you can hang this on a hook in your wardrobe for really safe storage. Now a whip has a flexible tail, and this one even has a tiny little paddle at the end. Now this is great for trailing over your partner's body, for building anticipation, and for delivering sharp stings when needed. Now whips do require a certain level of experience, so make sure you do some research and have a practice before you use it in the throes of passion, because things can go wrong and you definitely don't want a trip to A&E during your BDSM play. Finally, we have the flogger. Now I have saved what I think is the best for last because I love floggers. They're similar to the whip in the fact that they have a rigid handle. Again, that is great for control and grip. They also have a wrist loop for added security and for safe storage. Now, how they differ from a whip is the fact that they have these lovely fronds hanging down. Now, floggers are great for experiencing an array of sensations. You can tickle your partner with them, you can whip them with them, you can trail this across their body and create a positive anticipation. They're really flexible. Now these come in a variety of sizes and different colours and different materials, so just take your time, have a look online and find the perfect flogger for you. So there you have it, canes, whips and floggers. If you're unsure which one would be best for you, have a look online, do a little browsing, do a bit of research and find out what works best and what fits your needs. Thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. For notifications, click the bell. If you never want to miss another one of our videos again, you're gonna need to hit that subscribe button. And if you have anything you'd like to add, please pop your comments in the box below. Thanks again for watching. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye.